Hi everyone, Angel here. Today I'm sharing my juicing journey with you in the form of a Q&A session. So, the first question, was this my first juice feast? Yes, this was my first juice feast. Next question, how long did it last? I feasted on juices and liquids for 6 weeks. When did I do the juice feast? Summer of 2024, so that was last year. Why did I do a juice feast? I was feeling like my digestion needed a rest from eating as I had been traveling, and I felt like a juice feast would cleanse and reset my body. What else besides juices did I drink? I also drank teas, vegan broths, and water, plus juices for the 6 weeks. Was I hungry during the juice feast? Not at all, and this really surprised me as I thought I might get hungry. And in fact, that was one of the reasons why I had not done a juice feast before this one. How much juice and liquids did I consume on average daily? 4 to 5 liters on average daily. Did I still have energy during my juice feast? Yes, I had a lot of energy and I was even running upstairs. I had so much energy, and that really surprised me because I hadn't been eating for a few weeks. Did I have any challenges during the juice feast? Yes, sometimes it was hard to find juices when traveling, and so I would drink teas, vegan broths, and water to make up my liquids. Happy juicing!